Hi everybody, we got the Dom IX10. It's a 10-pin dimple. Brown belt lock, the shark fin pins, and a whole bunch of T-pins. And this one's tricky to get started. It's really easy to overset stuff early on. I'm going to try cranking the tension a little bit more. And really gentle. Going on the right side, we put 1, 2, 3, and then 4 right here is binding. Okay, that was good. I think I felt a little bit of movement. So that's 4, then I went back to 3, got a good click out of 3. Let's see. 1's binding pretty hard. Lifted that up. I hope that's not overset. Okay, I'm checking out the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4. I wonder if oversetting 1 right there was no good. Alright, we're starting over. 1, 2, 3. 4's binding. I gotta click out of 4. I think I got 3 in a good spot. Let's try left side. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. None of these feel like they're binding yet. Let's try to go back right side. Okay, 1's binding a bit. A little push. Oh, there we go. We got false set now. So to 1 to 3, and then after tapping, getting 1 set a little bit, and tapping 3, we got into the slight false set. Means we're on T-pins now. Okay, so 1 is set on the left side. 2 feels pretty good. 3 feels pretty good. 4, got a nice click out of 4. We got into slightly deeper false set. I think that's 5 binding back there. I can feel a little bit of movement on the core. That might be oversetting if I do that. Okay, go back to right side. 1 feels set, I guess. 2 set. 3 little click. 4 nothing. 5 nothing. 1 little click. 2 nothing. 3 nice click. 4 set. 5 feel set. Go back to 1. Little click. 2 nothing. Or 2 set. 3 set. 4 feel set. 5 got a little click there. Go back to 1. Click there. 2 out of 3 and 4. Go back to 1. 1 feels set. 2 set. 3 set. 4 set. 5. Nothing there. Oh, 4 got a little click. The thing is, you just gotta keep on clicking these. 4, 3, 1. Let's see what we got on the left side. I bet there's one little thing on the left side. 2. 2. 2 is set. 3. Which one is that? 4? 4 set. 5 set. Let's try 1, 2, yeah, 2 set. 3, yeah, 3 is all the way up there. 4, what do you got? 4? No, 5 set. There's gonna be like one pin. I give a nice little nudge and it's gonna open. 1, 2, both 1 and 2 feel set. 3 feel set. 4, I felt a tiny click. 5, tiny click. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got it. So just going back and forth, giving things a tiny bit of nudge. It's almost like the T-pins are tapered, where you just have to go back and forth between them. And they each get a little bit set, a little bit better each time. Might be an ordering issue. If I do it in a different order, maybe have to go through them a fewer times. Definitely a tricky lock. Definitely tricky. Not impossible. Okay, we'll lock this one up. We'll gut it. I'll show you the lock up a bit closer here. There are those shark fins. You can see they're unlike regular pins. They're narrowed to like a fin at the bottom, and they're hard to get access to at the flag from the front. I'm sorry, from the back. So you almost always have to go in order, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5s on each side. All right, we'll take this apart, and we will gut it. Let's get this down a little bit closer here. You go there. You go there. You can use a standard follower. This is the standard cheap follower that I've got. You know, nothing special. Get this here. I did at one point have to take this this part off. Kind of got a wedge in there and like just hammer and chisel this off. You'll need to do that if you accidentally brick your lock, which I may have done. Okay, we want this to be kind of like that. Yep. There we go. All right, I'll hold that there for now. We got this piece on the side, I guess is for key retention or keyway thing, because it's got a little bump there, and there's a matching divot in the key. And then there's like a little disc on the bottom here. I'm not entirely sure what that's for. And then so we'll start with number 10. I'll count this 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 10, which I was calling 5 on the right side when I was picking. Got a shark fin pin. Well, I'll give you a close-up of this. So you can see the shark fin right there. You can see it's asymmetric from the front. On the right, it's easier to wedge a pick underneath. And then since these are directional, the actual cross section is sort of like a it's got like a little fin on the side there. You'll see what I mean. Yeah, so that'll go there. I'll do 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 that way. So there's 9. And then 8. and 7. Oh no, 8 and 6. Put you over there. 7, 6, 5, 4, and 3, 2, and a 1. There you go. Take a look at the. You can see it's asymmetric. It's like little speech bubble. And that is because these pins are not rotationally symmetric. Sort of cut at an angle here, where see, they're at an angle, so they fit the circular profile off to the side, and that's how they get 10 pins in 2 separate rows. Whereas with the normal pin tumbler lock or dimple lock, you'd have just one row down the middle, and the pins could be rotationally symmetric. So it's very interesting design. Okay, so we'll go from the back here. Make sure you can see all this. So there's a T-pin for 10, T-pin for 9, T-pin for 8, I think they're almost all of them T-pins, T-pin for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. There you go. And there are, well, let's see if you can see all the springs in there. So the springs on that side, you can see all the springs installed on this side. That's all 10 springs, which I will, I'll dump them out. That's full gut. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Which one of you didn't come out? This one. 10. Yeah, you can see there's some space for, I don't know what these are for. There's the Bible. And that's everything. Dom IX10. Nice tricky lock to pick. All these T-pins right here make it really tricky to get through. Actually, when I zoom out, I'll just get the camera a little bit closer. There you go.